Bayegi pensa con gana un milheldu extra pa luna, or maybe you've heard about the benefits of GDC products and you're curious about how to get involved. Well, bota na e lugar correcto, nos tinun workshop special pe abo. GDC products including the innovative UBI's platform, te transforma e forma con negocinanta opera and creating lucrative opportunities pa bendedonan decidido manera abo. And the best part? Bono mester di sanada den benta pa kuminsa, nos ta mustrabo con hasie. Dene workshop aquí, lobo sera conosi, cue produktonan di GDC, signa con nanta funciona, kita nan beneficio pa cada cliente, explica con cada un producto ta soluciona, e problema di cada comerciante efo, mustranan e poder di e mundo digitali su potential. Understand how these por mustranan con e produktonan, aquí por duna, businesses grow and thrive in an increasingly digital world. Next, familiarize yourself with the target market. Dene workshop aki bota signa ken por beneficia di e produktonan aki, small and medium-sized businesses, entrepreneurs, digital nomads, bonbisa, turkuke mira e power of the digital economy. Now you're ready for the next step, becoming a GDC product seller. Durante nos workshop bo por registra cerca nos y haña e licencia pa por bende nos produktonan, complete the necessary training, and voila! You're now part of the GDC community. But the journey doesn't end there. The key to success in selling GDC products is building relationships. Reach out to potential customers, understand their needs, and show them how GDC products can provide solutions. Dene workshop aki bo ta signa tur ese, remember bo nota un bendero di producto, so you're selling a vision of growth and success. And finally, don't forget to follow up. Nos workshop ta signa bo. Once a customer has purchased a GDC product, queda den contacto cune. Offer support, contesta su preguntanan, and make sure they're getting the most out of their investment. Now imagine this. Lo que bosa na final dia workshop. Con gana an extra $500 in your pocket every month. Con llega na un network di comerciantenan satisfecho. And the satisfaction of knowing you're helping businesses thrive. Y cubo éxito, crecebo network tur haña más tanto, cubo entrada extra por bira un entrada fijo. So, kibo de warda? Dive into the world of GDC products and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Aplica pa nos workshop awemes pa corsao ay pronto. Pa Aruba, Ibonair, Tambe. Remember, the only limit is your ambition. So, go ahead and seize this opportunity. Llena e formulario dene link aquí bu. Trust us, you'll be glad you did. Llamanos na 512-05-36. Nos ta warda bo. Share e information aquí kubo amigo nan.